I'm going to explain about conditional probability. If we take an example, a box contains 6 red balls and 5 white balls. Just assume that this is an box. So here it is having 6 red balls. The box is having 6 red balls and 5 white balls. Just assumption. So then what is the probability to get red ball? This is without any condition. Probability to get red ball is equal favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here you can see this. The favorable outcomes to get red ball is 6. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So here you can see this in this box. This is without any conditional. 6 favors are there out of total number of outcomes are 6 plus 5 11. This is without condition probability to get red ball. The same box condition is there, conditional probability. We can say this same box is having within the same box 6 red balls and 5 white balls are there, but is asking probability to get red ball. Probability to get red ball if already white ball is drawn. That is the condition. White ball is drawn. This is the conditional probability. This is normal probability to get red ball, and this is the conditional probability. Probability to get red ball if white ball is drawn, already drawn. So means the favorable outcomes are 6 to get red ball. 6 favors are there. Total number of outcomes 6 plus 4 only, because already one ball drawn already, means remaining only 4 balls only. So therefore 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So this is the conditional probability. If any condition is there, if we are considered that, so then it is called as the conditional probability. So here you can say this without conditional, that is 6 by 11 is the probability to get red ball. But here after condition, it is the probability is 6 by 10. And this is for single box. Single box we can calculate like that. So here I can say this, the same thing. Here I can say this, the probability to get 6 red balls are there and 5 blue balls are there. 5 blue balls. So here he is asking probability to get red ball if already blue ball is drawn. Probability to get red ball if already blue ball is drawn. So that is the condition is equal. Same thing. The red ball favorable outcomes are 5 reds, 6 reds are there. Out of blue ball already 1 left, means that is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 6 plus 4 totally it is 10. This is the case. And here one more condition is there. You can see this. In a class that is 5 boys are there, 6 girls and 5 boys are there. So just assume that here you can say this, that is 6 girls are there and 5 boys are there. 5 boys are there. Then he is asking first is boy. If you select a student, first is boy, second is girl and third is boy. That is the first question. We can say this. First boy, second girl. If you select a student, second one should be girl and third one should be boy. So therefore I am assuming that the probability to get boy, first one is boy, favorable outcomes by 5 by total number of outcomes by plus 6 11 multiplied with girl. So how many favors are there to get girl? 6 girls are there Out of already one boy left here in the first case, so means only 4 only here remaining. 6 plus 4 is 10 remain. Again boy. So probability remaining boys are 4 only. 4 boys divided by out of total number of outcomes. One boy left, one girl left here. One boy left here, one boy girl left here. So two are left, the remaining are only 9. So like this we can calculate the probability. You can say this to write the probability. This is first is boy, probability to get boy, that is I am assuming boy 1 multiplied with probability to get girl, first girl, this first girl by if already boy 1 is left, boy 1 is left, that is the condition, second case. Again the third is boy means probability to get already boy is one boy left, so I am assuming this is boy 2 if already boy 1 left and girl 1 left, boy 1 left and girl 1 left. So in the form of formula we can write like this, and this is the way to calculate the probability. Coming to the one more thing, so if two events are there, this is till now that is single case. So if you go for that is one more example. If A is an event A and B is also event having common probability, that is A intersection B, A intersection B. So then probability to get A if already B is happened can be written as probability to get A if already B is happened, B is happened means B is drawn for example, then is equal common area P of A intersection divided by already happened probability is what, already drawn probability, that is P of B. So this is one more case of conditional probability. Probability of A by B can be written as common area divided by, that is this area will gives the required probability A. Similarly, probability of B by A can be written as the same thing. Probability of B by A is equal, that is probability of A intersection B by, that is probability of A. So these are the conditional probability in the form of two events are there. So we will go for one more example. 25%, I am assuming this is in a class, that is I am assuming this is a class, this is a class, in a class that is 25%, I am assuming A, this is 25% failed in physics. 25 means that is equal 0.25, 0.25%, 0.25 probability. So failed in physics, and again one more class is there. I am assuming this is class B. I am assuming class B is equal, how many are failed? 15% failed in chemistry. 15% means that is 0.15 probability. 0.15 probability in chemistry. In chemistry. So and both are failed in, that is P of A intersection B is equal 10%, means that is equal 0.10. 0.10. Now we can calculate, if we select a student, the student failed in physics, if already failed in chemistry, that is equal common area P of A intersection B divided by, that is already failed in B means that is chemistry. So this is equal, what is the common area probability? 0.10 divided by already failed probability and chemistry, that is B, is equal 0.15. And here you can say this is both the subjects they are failed, and here A means that is probability of A if already failed in chemistry, that is this is the probability this is the probability if already failed in chemistry. So then what is the probability to get to failed in physics, that is the, you are finding that one. And next one is he is asking that student failed in chemistry. P of B means student failed in chemistry. If already failed in physics is equal P of A intersection B by P of A. P of A. That is common probability is 0.10 divided by already failed in physics, that is equal 0.25. 0.25. Just assume that is A means that is failed in physics. This is B means failed in chemistry. We are finding. So A means just assume that is physics. You are assumed that is B means chemistry. So like this, the conditional probabilities we can calculate in different cases. There are three different cases are there. If a single box is there, we can calculate directly the probability, conditional probability. If one by one, if we are drawn in a single box, we can calculate the probability like this. That is using multiplication process, we can calculate the probability like this. If two boxes and should be having common probability, then we can go for the probability to calculate by using this A by B equal common area divided by that is probability of B gives the our required probability. Thank you. If you have any suggestions, doubt, you can send to me.